All right, we are back with you, Lachelle Yates with the Better Business Bureau. March, of course, also means spring cleaning time for many of us. Have some stuff you want to sell on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. All right, well then we need to give you this warning. We're talking about hijacking phone numbers.
Yes, here's how this scam works. As soon as you post your items on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, a buyer says they're interested, but they want to prove that you're legit. So they ask you for your phone number because they're going to send you a verification code. They're going to text it to you. And then you're supposed to put that 6-digit code into your listing. Well, here's the thing. Don't do it. The scammer is actually setting up a Google Voice number linked to your phone number. And if you send that verification code, the scammer will be able to complete the account setup. And then the scammer can then use that phone number to conceal their identity. Or if a scammer gets your Google Voice, easy for me to say, Google Voice verification code, and other information about you, then they can pretend to be you and then open new accounts as you. So this is very scary. And I tell you, this is a good scam. So if you're going to be selling on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, be aware of this scam and make sure that you're keeping your eye out and not falling for it.
Yeah, if you get a verification code, you only need to keep it to yourself. That's how that's going to work. Okay, so exactly. And that kind of goes along with one of the questions. It says, I'm getting scam calls from a number using Cone Health. So that would be like spoofing probably. And they're asking, should I report this?
You know, you could call Cone Health and let them know, but as soon as, Cone Health took steps to get that taken care of, they're just going to switch to another number and still continue to claim that they're Cone Health. I mean, scammers, it's so easy. You can do it right from the computer. They can claim to be any different number to try to trick you into picking up and answering the phone.
Yeah. This person wants to know, what happens after I file a complaint with the BBB? Does the person go to jail?
Well, we don't have that power as much as I wish we did sometimes, I can tell you, obviously with this electrician. Now, when you file a complaint, we do have a set process. So we send the complaint to the business responds, hopefully for the most part, and then you have a chance to respond. And, it could go back and forth. The business may say, you know what, we didn't realize there was a problem. We want to take care of it. You get their response and you're satisfied. Or you might respond back and say, well, what about this? And the business might respond, and hopefully it's resolved. So there can be a little bit of a back and forth. Ultimately, our goal is to get it resolved for you.
Right. That is the main point, the resolving part. All right. We've got about a minute left. Someone was asking, is there any other way to set up a cash app of some sort without a bank account? And I know every different, business has their own different things, but I think what we should talk about is when you should be using those third-party apps.
You should really only use those third-party apps with people that you know. And when you do that, you also want to be double checking that you're sending it to the person that you know. Because sometimes if you type in a person's name or the number wrong, it will go to a wrong person and they may not give you your money back. So yeah, that is the key. Only use it with people that you know. If a stranger wants you to use it, that is a sign of a scam.
Yeah, absolutely. And it does not work like a bank. They don't refund your money. Once you send it, it's gone. That's it. All right, Lachelle, thank you so much for your wisdom, your expertise, your time. We appreciate it. If you missed any of this, this is going to be in the Who Wants to Know section of our website.